know what this party needs? Some cool tzatziki sauce. Tzatziki sauce on a hot summer day, gonna cool us all down. Right into our strainer. And the last part of this is pretty easy. A little bit of salt. And what the salt is gonna do, we're just pulling out all the moisture in the cucumber. And we're just gonna be left with all cucumber taste. Nice and firm, but no liquid. Let that sit for 15 minutes, and we can start making our tzatziki. So all of the cucumber now has sweated off all of that liquid. Pulled it all out, look at that. Now we're ready to go in, make our tzatziki. Let's just put in our cucumbers. We need a little bit of yogurt now, so. Let's just put in a little plain yogurt here, no flavor at all. We're gonna flavor that up in a second. Here we go. Let's get a little mix. We'll see if we need a bit more in a second. Let's put a little garlic in here. And a little bit of sugar. Sweeten that up a little bit. Now we gotta chop up that mint. Do a little roll here so you have it all together. It's the secret to cutting mint. Here. There we go. Right in. That mint's gonna really cool it down, give it that little spearmint flavor. Squeeze that in there. So the lemon will work well with the sugar, the salt, and the cucumbers, and pull all those flavors together and give it that nice twang. Now that's perfect. Into our fridge.